So this is our lunch for today. Ano ito? Is this like a style pinakbet dinengdeng?
Ano gusto mo, fried rice?
And isang katirbang fried rice daw. Pero this is what I like. Look at that. It's got patola, wing beans or palang. It has bunga ng malunggay, talong, kalabasa. All the yummy goodness. Thank you again to our cousin from Cyprus, Manang Jovelyn, for cooking this for us. So, siya yung pinapaluto namin kapag mga ganitong gulay-gulay dahil she's a great cook when it comes to food like this. Manganta yun. Kakayam, kakaruba, kakabsat, kakabagyan. Yum.